We selected 4 of my favorite lights, 4 products that we have spent a lot of time on designing and continuing to improve, and really 4 lights that showcase the quality of Sterling lighting. These products include the SL23 Down Light, 50-foot wire lead. I know how hard it is to put connections up in trees, so we gave that long wire lead, has the perfect shroud, glare guards built into it, 97 plus CRI, the best tree mount in the industry. We also included our Well Light. This Well Light is the absolute best, has a 15-degree angle on it, still over 97 CRI, a lot of different options from a regular flange to a grass guard to concrete pour. This is a very versatile light for terrain installation. Of course, the SL01, this is the most used product we have. I love this light. It's so versatile with the lumen output going from 230 up to 730 lumens, multiple optics, and the Path Light, which is the standard heavy-duty durable path light in the industry. This selection of products gives you a small sample of what Sterling lighting is, but truly showcases to your clients the level of quality product that you're going to be bringing on to each of your designs and installations. So we've all done it. Knock on the customer's door and just walk around the outside of the house. I'm a huge proponent for getting inside the house. And one thing that really made me look bad on my beginning consults was just carrying a lot of lights or throwing them into a duffel bag. Having a heavy-duty case that looks professional elevates you in the eyes of your clients. It's something that's going to help set you apart. So having something that you can actually keep organized, keep the fixtures from getting damaged or just getting thrown in the bottom of the truck somewhere. This is something that will truly protect your luminaires. It'll help you look more professional to your clients, and truly it will set you apart from all the other guys out there that are just walking around the house throwing flags down and not taking time to educate the customer on the quality of lights that you're selecting. At Sterling Lighting, we are different. 26 years of design, installation, and meeting with clients. We have designed systems that are going to help you sell more jobs. This is a must-have. This coupled with our design and rendering services, so you're able to quickly go through the quality of the products in a professional manner. Those are all things that are going to set you apart, and it's quite frankly different than any other manufacturer in the industry, and that's because we are lighting designers and we run a landscape lighting design build company. So this is a must-have. Having a case that will really showcase a sample of products and allow that customer to touch and feel and see the quality of the product is something that's going to help you sell more jobs. Finally, it's important to get started right away. Talk to the Sterling representative to get you your starter kit. We'll send this out right away. Typically within 2 to 3 days, it'll be at your door. So you could see our products, you could see the beautiful case, and have this tool to go meet with your clients. We can't wait to get you started with the Sterling Lighting product line and welcome you into the Sterling Lighting family. Get started today, talk to your representative, and we'll get your starter kit out to you right away.